As we enter the Nissan factory, the hum of machinery fills the air. Rows of gleaming components and robotic arms work in perfect harmony, each movement precise and deliberate. This is where innovation meets craftsmanship, the birthplace of the legendary GT-R. Here, the Nissan GT-R's bare chassis comes to life. Robotic arms carefully position the frame as technicians inspect every weld and seam. The foundation of precision engineering begins, setting the stage for a supercar masterpiece. Next, the suspension system is installed. Shock absorbers, springs and brake components are meticulously mounted, ensuring the GT-R will handle corners with razor-sharp precision. Every wheel is aligned to perfection. The heart of the GT-R is now assembled. Technicians mount the twin-turbo V6 engine and its transmission with surgical accuracy. Sparks fly as power and precision meet in perfect harmony. Fuel lines are connected and the exhaust system is fitted. Every pipe, manifold and tank is positioned for optimal flow, preparing the GT-R to roar with unmatched performance on the road. Wiring harnesses are carefully routed, connecting sensors, ECUs, and electronics. From dashboard to engine bay, every connection ensures the GT-R's advanced systems function flawlessly. Inside the cabin, luxury meets technology. The dashboard, steering wheel, and seats are installed, each detail crafted for driver comfort, control, and an immersive driving experience. The cooling and HVAC systems are fitted. Radiators, intercoolers, and air conditioning components are connected, keeping the engine and cabin perfectly balanced, even under extreme conditions. Precision steering and braking components are installed. Every caliper, disc, and rack is fine-tuned to guarantee flawless handling, control, and responsiveness at every turn. Now the GT-R takes its final form. Doors, hood, trunk, and lights are mounted, reflecting flawless craftsmanship. The supercar begins to show its iconic, aggressive presence. Finally, the GT-R undergoes rigorous quality testing. Engines. Raw brakes respond instantly and lights shine brightly. Every aspect meticulously checked before hitting the road.